She's like next time Papa needs to run for one.
We have some airgrams for Dyer County High School. To Shelby from Mom, Dad, Charlie, Kate, and the rest of the family. Show them what you're made of. Keep doing what you love. Let's go, DC. To the color guard from Maddie Holden. I love and miss you. Do amazing and keep your chins up. Here's one to Evan from Mom and Dad. Sundays are always a little sad, but the day before is a Saturday. Love you, kid. To Sarah from Mom and Dad, we love you. Swing your flag and throw your rifle proud. You are having a great senior year. To Roella from Mother, Tia Amor, sweet tart. To Mason from Mom, Chris, Oakley, and Ollie, may your sound be as big as your hair. Rock the bells, we love you lots. To Anna from Mama, Chadley, and the kids, what do you call an elephant that doesn't matter and irrelevant? To Caden Elliott from Nana, Pops, and Jake. Let's do this, DCHS. Caden, when you are done performing, please come to the concession stand. Your Nana and Pops are lost again. To Dylan from Tyler, I love you, sweetie, in the girliest voice possible. To Dylan Smith from Mom, do great, Dylan, love you. To Allie Cooper from Mom and Dad, blow it like you stole it. To Nugget from Mom, shampoo is better. To the percussion from Mr. Kid, I'm proud of you guys. Play it like you mean it. P.S. Kabasa. To the whole band from Bus 89 and 91, you rock. To Nugget from James, hey Nugget, do great, love you. And also to Nugget from Boss, that is all. The next band to perform in Class 2A is the Dyer County High School Band. The band presents their 2021 program, Imagine. Field Commander Gavin Hammond, is your band ready? Dyer County High School Band, you may take the field for competition. That was the Dyer County High School Band.
Let's go!
The directors are Justin Brown, Michael Kidd, and Chrissy Miller, with additional staff including Rachel Reed. Let's hear it one more time for the Dyer County High School Band.